Yes, today I want to discuss about one business product, Nylan Production. My name is Ganesh. I am having a website with the same subject of Nylan Production. You can see the in the YouTube description also my web link. While clicking on the web link, you can directly go to that web page. You can see the details in my web page also. At the same time, if YouTube video is there, it will be easy to you to understand in an easy way. So that I am developing this YouTube video. So that is the subject. Now we can go into the subject of nylon production. The production of nylon is yet another highly profitable business. Nylons are used in the packaging covering of many products ranging from foodstuffs to clothes and even brand new automobiles. A large a very large market for nylons. Retailers are some of the largest consumers of nylon because nylon bags because their use is to bag goods purchased by their customers. Nylon is made when the appropriate monomers, the chemical building blocks which make up polymers, are combined to form a long chain via a condensation polymerization reaction. The monomers for nylon 6,6 are adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine. The polymer has to be warmed and drawn out to form strong fibers. So where is nylon produced? Northeast Asia countries to be the center of the world nylon fiber manufacturing industry. In 2018, Asia accounts for more than two-thirds of the world nylon fiber output, with China accounting for 56% of the world nylon fiber production. What are four uses of nylon? Nylon belonging to a class of polymers called polyamides has served as a substitute for silk in products such as parachutes, flak vests and women's stockings. Nylon fibers are useful in making fabrics, rope, carpets and strings for musical instruments. Why is nylon so strong? The elasticity of nylon polymer or grid of strong hydrogen bonds makes nylon toughest and durable textile fiber in common use. Nylon filaments are staple fibers are not absorbent due to its crystalline nature, even though there is a relatively strong attraction for water molecules by the polar amide groups. What chemicals make up nylon? Two of the ingredients that are used to synthesize the most common nylon, adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine, each contain 6 carbon atoms, and the product has been named nylon 6,6. How it will be called as nylon 6? By having 6 carbon atoms, it will be called as nylon 6,6. When carprolactam is the starting material, nylon 6 is obtained, so named because it has 6 carbon atoms in the basic unit. Why is nylon used in clothing? Nylon properties. Nylon dries rather quickly and it retains its shape rather well after laundering, which ensures longevity of the garment. Nylon fiber is very responsive and resilient as well as relatively resistant to the heat, UV rays and chemicals. What country produces of the most nylon? China is not only the largest producer of nylon filament yarn in the world, it also imports more than any other country 24% of the global total. says Technon Orbichem. What are three properties of nylon? The characteristics and features of nylon 6 include pleats and creases can be heat set at higher temperatures, more compact molecular structure, better weathering properties, better sunlight resistance, softer hand, high melting point, superior color fastness, excellent abrasion resistance. That is, these are the properties of nylon. And how is nylon harmful? At the heart of it all, nylon is very bad for the planet. It is not biodegradable, it won't decay naturally in the ground, and creates a greenhouse gas that is over 300 times stronger than carbon dioxide. This has awful implications for the environment. Is nylon the strongest fiber? Nylon has relatively low shear strength compared to other polymer fibers like polyester. Because I am also preparing the notes to explain you in a easy way. Graphite fiber also not a polymer, but it is widely available and strong stuff. It is regularly used in making aircraft, spacecraft, race cars and boats. It is stronger than nylon and Kevlar, but also has a limited shear strength. Is nylon a natural fiber? Natural fabrics like merino wool, cotton, cashmere and silk are made of fibers that are produced by animals and plants. Synthetic fabrics like polyesters, nylon and acrylic are man-made. Fibers that are created in laboratories. Nylon is made from coal. Nylon is in part derived from coal and petroleum. In addition to supporting some of the world's dirtiest industries, the manufacture of nylon has several other direct environmental impacts. Is nylon good for skin? Nylon is also not a good fabric for you to wear either. Nylon doesn't absorb moisture so sweet to trapped against your skin, which creates a breeding ground for odor and fungal infection. An irritant known as formaldehyde is also found in nylon and has been linked to skin irritation and eye problems. This is the information regarding nylon production. So you can also do nylon production, even though if you want to start independently being an interesting entrepreneur, I am saying that you should have at least 6 months to 1 year experience under a unit, under manufacturing unit. Once if you get 1 year of experience, then you will be considered to do independently, because practical experience and even my web page may be there and YouTube may be there. Even though also you should have practical experience that will be counted to get good and strong establishment for starting a new being a new entrepreneur. So you can have good experience of at least 1 year in any nylon production company, then you can start independently. And you should take business licenses and trade licenses, and all these you should take it. And if suppose a nylon production is going on, means you should give good advertisement also, but don't spend too much of money on advertisement. But advertisement should be there. Suppose Google business options are there. In that Google business, if you give photos and videos and some web page of information of one page, that will give a clear and compact information regarding your contact number, email and website. Then by seeing that, they can call you, and website will also, address also will be there. So by seeing the website also, they can see the link of you, and they can understand it, and they can call you for production. But patience also should be there, because it is not a FMCG, fast moving, it's not fast moving consumer goods. So nylon production is will go in a bulk order, but it will take some time, 1 month and 2 months and 3 months it will not come any order. But after 4 5 months you will get one order. By that one order, the bulk in the whole production of your 6 months of production will go in one order. So you will be very happy and you will be successful also. But don't fear to why I am not getting orders, already 1 month is over, 3 months are over, 4 months are over. But at least minimum you will get for 6 months one order will get. That order also in the continuous 6 months of your production will go in one order. So you need not worry about that. But please maintain a quality, and cost will be forgotten by the consumer for the time being, but quality will never, no one will forget that. So maintain good quality also. And everywhere the simple principle in every production is 70% will be the working cost and 30% will be the margin. In that scale, if you go your business, it will be very nice to you and it will give a standard process also. Then you will be successful in this, and be sincere and be careful regarding this. May God bless you and wishing you all the best.